Okay, so let's put it in we're going to put in a heading. Okay, where we're going to put it now, we've got our header here. Okay, that contains my logo and my navigation. See those three little buttons there? Then I've got this other chunk, okay, which is main. Main is kind of middle part of the website. Header is generally just our logo and navigation. So main here already has my hero box, okay, and that is the big pink box that I've created already. It's this guy here, okay. So inside of there is where I want my heading. Okay, we're going to be designing this heading here. It says Raw X pre-order now. So to put in a heading, we need to put in something called an H1. H1 is our heading one, and the heading one is the most important heading on our page. Okay, so the syntax works like this, just like say this main here, it says main, okay, and it's inside these angle brackets, then there's a / main to close it off. So we need to do the same thing for our H1. So angle brackets down by your M key, type in H1 and then close it off. Okay, so that's the beginning part, just like main here. And you can see the second part is the same word, but it has a / in front of it. So we're going to type in angle brackets, type in /, and helpful old Dreamweaver has gone and filled it in for us. That's one of the perks of Dreamweaver. So the text goes inside. Okay, it goes in the middle of these two here. So have your cursor flashing between the two tags. Okay, and we're going to type in Raw X, which is the name of our new bike that we're launching. Okay, and we're going to say pre-order, please, or pre-order now. Okay, hit save. Okay, so file save, and I want you to go and check your real-time browser preview. Now you can check back by flicking back to Chrome. It updates automatically, or if you like to, you can click down here and click on Google Chrome again. Either way, let's get to our browser. And you can see here, there's my H1, Raw X pre-order now, and by default, it is black and bold and a particular size. And that, my friends, is our first bit of HTML. Okay, if you're new to web design, well done. This is our first bit of coding. You've done it. Next thing we need to do though is go and change these default colors and sizes and fonts to something that matches our mockup in Photoshop. So let's go and do that now, learning something called CSS.